Okay, these are some tools that Rob's using, gonna pinstripe this Waterloo tank cooled engine for me. You can see he used some one spot in gold, also the striper, mineral spirit to clean up a little bit. He's already got some of it done, and this is an early tank cool Waterloo engine. Good. Cleaning the roller a little bit. So he's getting ready to apply the last piece of stripe on this engine. This engine is like an engine that's in the state of Washington. It's an early tank cool. There's some differences. Little cleanup. Try it again. Kind of tedious work for somebody with shaky hands like he's got. Not too bad for country boys. There you go. Rob the pinstriper.
Alright, this is Rob. Dad thought I made it look real easy with that roller. So we laid out some stripes for the flywheel. And I made a little goof, and Dad said, well, let me have it. I'll show you how to do it. not quite as easy as the base. The pits are worse, and the roller wants to scoot. But we laid those lines out with a Stadler pencil. And I asked a professional pinstriper. He said just paint right over the top of those lines. They kind of feel like a crayon wax. And if you don't get them right where you want them, you can just wipe them off. So, all right, we'll be back with a little bit more here in a minute.
Okay, Rob's going to attempt to put a pinstripe around the inside and the outside of the flywheel. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, we just finished pinstriping the flywheels for this tank cooling. Getting real close to being finished. Give them a spin there, Rob, and let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, look like a circus. That's all.